The Jacobs and Cushman San Diego Food Bank was founded in 1977, and we're serving an amazing 370,000 people every month. A lot of people are surprised to learn who our service population really is, and what the term we use is the face of hunger, and really who we're serving are the working poor. Seniors on a fixed income, children living in poverty, and surprisingly, low-income active duty military and their dependents. We estimate about 1 in 6 people in San Diego County are food insecure, and that's about 480,000 people that really don't know where the next meal is coming from. One of the things people don't really realize that food banks are really moving more towards becoming nutrition banks, because nutrition-related disease is linked to poverty. So when people have less resources, they can't afford fresh produce and protein. So now we're seeing a generation of kids that aren't healthy. So it's a major drain on healthcare. We see kids, 1 in 3 kids born after 2002 are going to be diabetic. And there's a saying in the food bank community, if you don't eat, you can't learn. If you don't learn, you can't earn. So children who aren't healthy, aren't developing physically and mentally, aren't able to get that education, which means they're not going to get a good job, which means they're not going to be able to feed their family. So really we're talking about a cycle of poverty and trying to break that cycle of poverty through something as simple as proper nutrition and fresh produce. The San Diego Food Bank is San Diego's food bank. It's totally local, and every dollar raised here stays here. And one of the ways that we're able to reach 370,000 people every month are through our community partnerships. It's all about partnerships. We partner with an amazing 330 nonprofits in this community. So if you know of a nonprofit that has a feeding program, more likely than not, the majority of the food they're getting is coming from the San Diego Food Bank. Well, there's a saying that hunger has no season, and people are just as hungry in April as they are during the holidays, but obviously there's more hardship during the holidays, budgets are stretched even thinner. So really it's about a community coming together to support a community, so people can do a lot of things to really make an impact. They can go online, they can make a financial contribution, they can volunteer in a warehouse, or they can donate food. We can take $1 and leverage that into 5 meals. And I don't know a nonprofit that can take a donor dollar that far. So everybody can do something, every little bit helps, and it's all about making an impact in our community.